In this third part of our series, we're going to be continue to work on our website, and we're going to be working on the contact page and making our own contact form. Now, unlike previous episodes, we won't be adding things to the master page. It will actually be the contact page, so we're just going to double click that. If you've got navigation, you'll know that it will actually show that this is the active page. And if you've got that type of navigation, then you don't need to have a label to say this is the contact page. That will do. Alternatively, if you want to, you can put a label in, something like connect with us or get in touch, and that will alert people to which page they're on. Okay, so first I'm just going to add some introductory text as to what I want people to do on the form. I'm just going to go to the toolbar and get an HTML text frame tool. It's going to zoom in. It's going to start it at 200. And I'm just going to add some text. Okay, that looks good. Now, one thing that I sometimes do and I sometimes don't do is to have the frame guides on. So in this instance, once I click away, the frame guides aren't there, so I'm just going to turn them on by going to view, and then it's called frame edges, and in options it's called frame guides, but anyway, and that will show you the frame guide. If you're doing a lot of things, sometimes you want it on, sometimes you want it off. So I'm just going to change that to about halfway through the page, or just more than halfway through, and that will just tell people what I want them to do with the form, and that they should fill in all the ones with an asterisk, as that will be mandatory. I think size 12 is too big, so I'm just going to change it to 10. Okay, maybe I will make it a little bit. So now I'm just going to add the form. There are lots of ways to do this. I'm just going to use the form wizard because sometimes I think that that's the easiest way to start from. I'm just going to do create a new form with the wizard. I'm just going to add every single field that I will want, give it a label, and add some validation. So the first thing I want is an edit box. I'm just going to call it name. I'm just going to add a star at the end. So this is what the visitors will see, just to denote that this will be a required field. I'm just going to go to edit control. I'm just going to give it a maximum length. I always think that's a good idea of